In this lecture, we are going to install the school management system. In the very previous lecture, we have downloaded the premium scripts for free, which are in Theme Forest and Code Kenya. You have to take this lecture before proceeding to this one because you will understand how to download the premium scripts, and then we are going to install that script now in the cPanel web hosting. For that, I will visit my website, which is Web Internet Marketing, and we'll go to the cPanel. Now I will click on the login button here. So now the file manager we are going to visit, and after that we are going to click on the public underscore HTML and click to upload the script. So we have already downloaded that script in the previous lecture, so we are just gonna upload that script into my cPanel web hosting. Now the file is successfully uploaded. We are going to click on the go back to home, and we are going to reload it. So the file has mentioned here. After the reload, we are going to click on the extract button right here, and it will extract to the public underscore HTML. And now we are going to visit this folder. Inside this folder, we are going to move these all to the main directory, which is public underscore HTML, and click up one level. And now we are going to delete this one because now it's useless. And now you may notice that one of the file is missing right here in the extract folders, that is htaccess file. And basically this is missed because of the security from the server side. We are going to open this folder, and you're gonna see that .htaccess file is missing. We are going to extract that in the desktop, and it appears here. Now we are going to upload that again. It misses just because of the security purposes, and we are going to click yes. So it will appear there. Now there will be no issue. Now we are going to create the MySQL database so that it's gonna connect there. I'm gonna give a test name to the database, and the same goes for the username. I will generate some password for this, and I will create it. And in this third step, we are going to give the all privileges to the user, and click on the next button here, and we'll go return to MySQL database. Now the database is being successfully created, and we have successfully extracted those. Basically now we're going to go to the web internet marketing. Now you may see that everything is perfect. Now we're going to go to the database setup, and we will just put the password first because I might forget then. Now remember, the username and database name both are same. We're gonna copy paste this all, and for the host name, that is localhost. And now we're going to click on check database. It will be great. Now it says given an email address. I will give my email address, and I will use some sort of password, and I will click on the begin installation. So this is important. You need to delete the directory, otherwise there might happen something wrong to your school management system. So now basically your site is ready. We are going to just click on sign in. Now the school management system is successfully loaded. You can see thousands of menus right here. You can see the fee structure, the library, the academics, the download center, the transport, communication, many other things. You can just change your password right here. You can do a lot of other system, like you can change the site name and other things, your logo stuff. So this includes the lecture that how you can easily install the school management system or any script to your web hosting cPanel. If you want to install the same script in your local machine, if you don't have a domain web hosting, so I can do that as well. If you want that, comment below. I will make a video on that too. Thank you so much.